this again is another conversation with Discover people. After receiving a letter for like the 7th time, disputing the charges and asking for a reasonable investigation, and then to provide documented proof of a bona fide offer and service. And this is how this plays out. I'm going to be recording this as well for my own protection.
Okay, sure. How can I assist you?
I'm calling for an M. Johnson. I received a letter yesterday stating that you guys had received my disputes on this account, and that you're going to notify consumer reporting agencies that the account is currently being disputed. Okay, just so you know, I'm being sued by you guys, and I have submitted an unbelievable amount of documentation along with police reports, statement from an attorney general's office in Arizona, letters from inside people that worked within the business of merchants who defrauded me for telemarketing schemes and whatnot, an affidavit of identity theft from the FTC, and I have spent in excess of $5,000 to defend myself in the litigation against you guys. And also, I mean, there are so many consumer rights violations that you guys have done against me. It's off the chart. There's got to be at least 50 that I can think of, and that fall underneath the FTC Act, Regulation Z, Truth in Lending, Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, Fair Credit Reporting Act. Okay, thousands and thousands of dollars of damage, not to mention 3 years of my wages that have that I haven't been able to get a decent employment for.
Ma'am, I'm going to have to get you over to the right department. I was just verifying information. Just give me 1 moment, okay?
All right.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Monica. The call may be recorded to ensure quality service. For additional security, could I have you verify your name again?
Michelle Birch.
Thank you. And the last 4 digits of your social?
3950.
Thank you. How can I help you today?
Well, I received a letter, and I think you need to take down some notes, Monica, because I think somebody at Discover who is equipped to, or who has any kind of authority, should know exactly what I've been through from the very beginning. Okay, I'm going to start. I'm going to let you know exactly what Discover has done to me illegally, and that is, in a court of law, there's a penalty for consumer redress for the damages that each violation has caused me. Okay, first of all, I disputed charges that were never a reasonable. Investigation was never performed on many disputes. That's one. 2, I was thwarted from the very first instance that my only recourse was with the merchant who did not exist. $8,000 was allowed to be debited on my credit card, and it was from a merchant whose merchant account was closed 4 years prior to debiting my Discover card. And I have a recording of my conversation with the merchant account holder expressing how badly you guys had screwed me over and that you had to do a chargeback, and yet you did not. Okay? Many attempts, disputed that charge many, many times. Same thing over and over. You illegally debited my Wells Fargo account not once, not twice, 6 times, and each time I incurred overdraft fees and bounced checks fees. Okay, for six times. Okay, never, and this was unauthorized. So you guys stole from me, basically. I'm being sued, and I've incurred almost $5,000 worth of debt for a lawsuit that has doesn't even have any basis. Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
How convenient.
Hello?
No, I